Let me know if we're live, boys. Holy fuck. What is going on? Got some interesting news to tell you. Live. Okay, cool. Let me... Not usually on Saturday, but I did say I have literally... First of all, I have 30... No, actually, I lied. I have 2 tank tops, 1 t-shirt, 2 hoodies, and 1 huge fucking gay-ass jacket on. It is fucking cold. I'm not on Saturdays usually. You know what's funny about Saturdays? I've never been up on time. 2:30 is usually when we go live, or supposed to go live. I'm always late. But on the days that I don't want to go live, yes, I live in a tent, Nico's. I live in your back garden. Watch out for your mum. She keeps coming out to serve me biscuits. I don't know. But anyways, I said yesterday, if you guys... And bro, I swear it's fucking -2. -2. -2. Anyways, I don't have long, so let's not ask stupid questions. We can save the trolling, me trolling you, you trolling me, for future streams, because I do not have long. I forgot with the time zone, I have to go to the 10K fast track group in 52 minutes. So I'm not bullshitting, you can see it on screen. So I forgot about this because the time zone's changed. So I have to leave in probably 45 minutes to kind of set this up. Shit weather, disgusting weather, freezing weather, but it makes you appreciate, Thailand more, America more. UK is good, but I just keep coming home at the wrong time. Anyways, I don't have time. We might not even do any trades, but I needed to update you guys of yesterday, what happened. Good news, not so good news, but mostly good news. If you remember, first of all, what about the fees, Jake? Fees are always right in front of you, bro. Stop worrying about the fucking fees, bro. Come and save me from my mum's basement, Jake. Greetings. Greetings to you too, brother. I will save you from your mum's basement, but that's another story for another day. Yesterday, we fucking printed. As in printed for not my kind of like, oh my god, I made a lot of money. We made about $260. I think $225 without fees. Somebody do the maths on screen. It was a good fucking day, but it was also a good day because I called it live on fucking camera. Starting to get better in this, really starting to enjoy the 5-minute with the GG. It's really starting to work well. So basically what happened was, after the stream, or I think I said before the stream, my Solana was already out, which was take profits. And then Bitcoin, Ethereum, I think when we were on the stream last night, we were teasing with this sideways action. I'm trying to think what time zone it would be. Because I had these lines, remember. It was somewhere around here. I really can't fucking remember. But I drew these lines before thinking, okay, this was my kind of levels. Especially on Solana that we printed on. Bitcoin, remember, was given some fucking issues. We were like, oh, we could go up. We start to go up. I was in the red for this. And then I was going to leave the trades overnight. But as soon as I ended that stream, they all smashed take profit. Okay? Some of them I took out 50%, like we said, using the checklist. Again, if you want the checklist, Discord, free, all that kind of good stuff. And I added this, take out 50%, right? That's besides the point. So every trade was green. And we actually made some decent money. It wasn't just like before when I was in Thailand when we started this journey 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. It was like, oh, we made $17. We made $7. No, we're getting better. $30, $54, $38, $62, $25, $50. And basically what happened was, I wish, but here's the thing, you can't be like, oh, take profits on because everybody's saying Jake take profits, and then you don't put them on, but when they hit, you can't be mad about that. They would have fucking printed maybe more than $1,000 if we had them all the way down. Bitcoin smashed, Ethereum destroyed, and obviously Solana printed. But we left. We left with a bunch of, not a bunch of money, but a decent amount of money, like $260, $222 with fees. So I wanted to update you on that. There was something else I was going to update you on. We might have a look at some trades. We got some time. Like I said, I don't want to rush trades. It's the weekend. We don't normally do this. I added a DeFi for guys in the Discord. I'm going to try and give you more DeFi help as well. There's a little cheeky call group. Again, loads of people are asking to work with us one-to-one. Understand, that's when we do have to charge. That is what the 10K fast track is around. But again, I don't want you guys to think that you need to pay for something. I will give you all the free information here. If you want one-to-one help, you can click this link and book a free call. And again, that's if you want full help. But I want to try and give you guys also a DeFi channel in the Discord, and testimonials are coming in here, answering questions, what platforms to use, blah de blah de blah. So I still, and I always will, give you free first. Paid is there. Do not want anybody to pay it. Nobody can say, oh, Jake's trying to sell me something. I'm not trying to sell you something. Come in here, do it for free, and never touch us again. That's absolutely fine. I do not want you to pay for something unless you do this by yourself first and make a bunch of money. So nobody can say, just to be clear, because I do not need your money. I want your money, but I don't need it. And I want what's always first, what I would have wanted when I was starting out, for you to go and make a bunch of money first. Maybe you come back to us, maybe you don't. It doesn't really fucking matter. So go and check this out, because a lot of guys asked about DeFi with trading. That's basically how I funded my whole trading, kind of journey, why I can be comfortable losing money on stream and not really be too fussed about it, because I have so much money coming in from DeFi, and I would love for you guys that want to do trading as well, with or without me, to have the same lifestyle, because you guys probably have 10K, 20K, 30K, maybe more, maybe less, in your portfolios where you can fund the trading for free. That would be sick. So if I can give you that for free, that would be doing it. What trades are you looking, Jake, to enter? Probably nothing on stream. I just wanted to update you guys from yesterday, because I did say I would, and I wasn't going to. I was going to wait till Monday, but I came back and I was like, let me jump on stream. And then Bobby reminded me I have a call in 47 minutes. So if there's anything interesting, I'll take a look in a second, but I need to update first. So that was the updates. I'm guessing there's not going to be much volume. We'll have a look. But yesterday, we fucking printed. We actually fucking printed for once. It was our biggest profit day because I let trades run longer than usual, which was nice to see. In the name of Jesus Christ. And yet you're still watching. And yet you're still watching from your mum's basement. And you always will, because you're probably broke. Anyways, so we'll have a look at trades. And we'll see what's going on. What trades am I looking at? What trades are you looking at? Let me know what you're looking at, and I'll have a look as well. Like I said, I only touched these 5 assets. So just fucking leave, 7 Inc. Goodbye. Nobody fucking wants you in here anyways. You're a fucking loser. I said I was going to be nice today. But it is very fucking cold, and when I get cold, I get so pissed off. Let's have a look. So, on the 5 minutes, if anybody wants to jump in and give me some trading ideas, we can. Sup. Enough with the subs. Too many subs. Too many subs. Remember, me and Bobby are giving away $500 in this group as well. So again, if you want, you have 20 days left. Too many subs. Too many subs. Don't make me put you on a timeout. I'm trying to lock in here because I only have like 35 minutes left. Don't fucking. I like the transparency you offer, Jake. I like that you don't try to sell us something. Again, I'm the only guy that will say do not buy my shit. Okay, because I don't need you to buy. Again, I would love for you to buy and come to Kosamui, but all in due time. All in due time. In due time. Go and make yourself a bunch of money, get some entertainment, get some value for me and Bobby and Parker, and do what you guys want to do with your life. Okay, because at the end of the day, we're all going to fucking die, and I don't want to be the guy that's on the tombstone that says, Jake just sold a bunch of courses and tried to make a bunch of money. I've already made the money. Of course I want more money, but I would rather you guys go and fucking get it by yourself. I will never push something on you. Unless you want me to push something on you. That's fine. But I don't need to do that. And what I've realized is I've never needed to do that. So, yeah, just trying to be transparent. Pi versus Zcash long soon. Okay, how soon? Because I got 35 minutes. Probably less because I need to speak to Bobby before this. There's the DeFi call as well. There's so many things happening today. So I don't want to rush trades. So let's have a look. Zcash has been doing well, I know that. 5 minutes candles we'll have a look at. And then we'll have a look at 1 minute candles. And then we'll have a look at other stuff as well. And then we'll go from there. So, well, this guy needs a timeout. This guy needs a timeout. This guy's on a timeout. He's too retarded. He's too retarded. I don't have the patience for mocking people in chat today. I'm trying to fucking just come on here and update you from yesterday. But there's so many brokies in the UK right now that just had a shit fucking Christmas that are going to have a shit 2026. Take a punt on Pepe right now. Oh, don't make me, don't make me, bro. You're breaking my confirmation bias by looking at these fucking coins. Is that even the right Pepe? See, the problem with Pepe and these coins, man, is like the charts are just fucking stupid, man. You don't see solid candles. I don't even know if this is the right Pepe. It probably is. Let me just check. Yeah, it looks like it is. I'll leave it here. I'll leave it here in the background. Okay, but not right now. Render or TRX long maybe. Okay. XRP, 5 minutes. What do you got? What do you got? Because XRP is on my list. We like XRP. TF. What does TF mean? Don't use acronyms I don't understand, young man. New here in the second day, you've had a heavy coat on. Bro, I've got 3 jackets on right now because I'm in the UK. My dad refuses to turn on the heating. I've got 3 heaters below me. It's -2 degrees. I'm in the spare bedroom. I'm not used to this fucking weather. Yeah, but if you're new and looking forward to learn more, again, free Discord. If that's trading, if that's DeFi, if that's anything you want, or winning a bunch of money, because we always give away money. At the end of the month, hopefully you get some value here. Yeah. TF, what does TF mean, bro? Don't give me acronyms. Time frame. Oh, fuck's sake. Duh. Well, we've already missed the short. Yes, it's looking lovely right now, but I wish I would have took the short at 7:50 a.m. It's printed so far with a little bit of leverage. You'd be sitting fucking pretty, but I don't want to enter this short late. Not that it couldn't still go down, absolutely. You seen what happened yesterday, right? But I can't enter this right now. So if you did enter this, congratulations, because you're printing. Everything on the 5 minutes looks so fucking weak. But again, let's have a look at the 1 minutes. I know we did this yesterday. Everything on the 1 minute also looks weak. Ethereum's gone. Just jumped on you in the trade. Hi, Jake. What indicator do you use? Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, Solana on the 1 minute. I'm going to keep this open. What indicator do I use? So I use the GG indicator on the 5 minutes. Again, come in the Discord, the link, and I have a full walkthrough. Okay, so it takes you through my spreadsheet. Again, my spreadsheet might not be your spreadsheet, but this is just exactly everything. And you can get the GG indicator for absolutely free if you want it. But that's the only indicator I'm using. And it's basically just very simple. It just follows a trend. Okay, Solana on the minute just went to green, but I can see, so what I like to do is backtest stuff depending on time. You can see here, it was a fake confirmation. Probably a fake confirmation there, so that's the only issue with Solana right now in this last kind of time frame, but that's the best thing I can see so far. I still am cautious always on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is bleeding, there is that. Let's make this bread. Yeah, let's make 2026 fucking something better than 2025 for hodler cryptocurrency fucking investors. Let's fucking hope so, man. Because I want you to win. Again, not a lot of people want me to win. Well, that's not true. Most people want me to win, but the big guys or the big haters don't want me to win, and that's because they don't think they're going to win themselves, which is just a mindset fucking shift, and that's what it is. Hate only comes from down below, you know. Most hate doesn't. You're not going to hate somebody higher above you if you're fucking about the game. You're going to be saying, okay, what's that guy doing? What can I take? Not what can I copy? What can I take and how can I implement that? That's what I've realized. Because when I used to hate people that live streamed, that had cars, that traveled, I was always in fucking pain. And it was only think I was like, fuck, I just need to start implementing whether I like this guy, whether I don't like this guy. It doesn't matter what I say. He doesn't care. Blah, 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 blah. How can I just fucking try? Afternoon to you too. It'll be a very short stream, like I said, because I have to go. We want you to win, bro, but maybe the bears don't. Yeah, exactly. There's always going to be hate. But you need hate, and I like hate, but I will not let... We missed that Solana trade. I will not be one of those guys that just ignore comments. If I see a hate comment, I'll rip you in a friendly way, but I want the haters to win as well. That's what they don't understand. I want everybody to win, but I understand that not everybody can win, because if everybody won, it wouldn't work. The world would just break. We need the brokies to keep fucking serving us the Tesco food, the McDonald's, the fucking gas stations. We need them. The keyboard warriors, we need them. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? How long have I got? Realistically, 30 minutes. What degrees is it over there? -2. -2. -2. -2. And I'm used to 32. Weather. Let's have a look at weather for this week. Tomorrow, -1. Monday, good, 5. Tuesday, -3, -3, -3, 2. It's jackets all week. It's jackets all week for me. It is what it is. Yes, you need hitters. Yes. Thank you. I hope you're learning a lot, because I'm learning a lot as well. Especially in trading. Everything else, I don't want to say I've mastered, but DeFi, stuff like that, kind of fucking mastered. Thank you, Nikos, for the 79 pence. I guess that's $1. I really fucking appreciate that. Not as in a monetary value way, but just, you know, that shows you're about the game. Okay? And, you know, respect to you, bro. And I keep seeing your name, so hopefully you're going to win this year. And I think you will. XRP in the 1 minute is now looking like a potential flip. On the recent 1 minutes, we've had pretty much, bar from this one, we might be in a trade here on XRP. Interesting. Bitcoin is coming back. Did we catch it early? Somebody said on the 5 minutes was looking weak, which is true. But if I want to get a quick flip here, again, we might have to hold this till after stream. The only issue I can see with XRP, again, when you're on the shorter time frames with this GG indicator, we need to get rid of fucking Pepe, fuck's sake. When you're on the shorter time frames with the GG indicator, it's not going to be as accurate. You can see some pretty fucking good trades. All these trades would have made you money. The only trade that wouldn't have made you money was the last confirmation of green. You would have probably broke even, give or take, which is fine. But that's just something to note. Once you go in the longer time frame, the 50 minutes, the 1 hour, the 4 hours, heck, the daily, pretty much always going to be accurate. Yes, I'm begging for money. I made Nikos donate to me for money so I could afford 1 mile in my Lamborghini Urus, bro. I'm so desperate for money. Please. Better in my pocket than your pocket, bro, because you would have fucking probably spent it on fucking something dumb. I'm here 6 months, I don't beg. Well, if you're here for 6 months, you know I definitely don't beg. I give away money. I'm probably the only YouTuber that gives away fucking real money in the cryptocurrency space, that's for sure. Not Mr. Beast fucking level. So, yeah. I don't know what you've been watching for the last 6 months, but clearly not my fucking channel. Okay, XRP, I'm waiting for a flip here, boys. Waiting for a potential flip. Waiting for a flip. Bobby is now reminding me that the call is soon. Don't worry, Bobby, I'm fucking on it. I need Bitcoin to get some confirmation. Albert would have got a beer. You know what he would have done? He would have saved that £1, maybe got a beer, sat by himself and realized that he has to go to fucking McDonald's tomorrow and deliver the fucking burgers. That's what he has to do. Albert's that kind of guy. Again, I want Albert to win. Believe it or not, I fucking do. You don't want me to win, Albert, but I fucking still want you to win. I'm so thick-skinned, there's nothing anybody can say that will make me fucking tremble and stop this fucking journey. There's nothing. Zero things that anybody could say, because I've seen it all. And what I've realized is XRP long. Risky. Risky. Shouldn't be doing this. It's kind of like a fake confirmation. I'll do it anyways. Why not? How many cylinders? See, I pretend I know a lot about cars, but I really don't. I don't even know what that means. I know it's got a Mansory kit on it. That's why I bought it. I know it's got 24-inch wheels, which sounds cool, but the sensors always go off because of these wheels or aftermarket wheels. I think the standard Urus has 21s or 22s, and when you get these cars, like even the slightest thing, it's just like, oh, management lights on, suspension's broken. You know, what was the other car that somebody was telling about? Some Porsche. As soon as you put a tuned on exhaust in a Porsche, the engine management light just goes off. Because these cars, these supercars are so fucking sensitive. So it's got 24-inch wheels. That's all I know. I don't know how many cylinders. I know it's got more than 700, maybe 800 brake horsepower. But it is an SUV. So it's fast, but it's a fucking 2.5 ton car. Or truck. But UK shit, bro. What can we do? Okay, so XRP. Ooh. Called that a little bit too early. Unfortunately, I was watching your channel for the last 3 years. You fucked up, bro. Well, if you were watching me for the last 3 years, you fucked up, bro. Because I'm sitting here with, regardless of no altcoin season, with 485k in net profit, paper profits, a Lamborghini Urus, travel wherever I fucking want, makes more than £15,000 in DeFi liquidity pools. You fucked up, bro, because you didn't copy me. Okay, because if you were copying me, you would have had these average DCA prices on my top 4 coins. So you fucked up, bro, because you watched me, wasted all your time watching me. Now you're still watching me, and you haven't made any fucking money. You fucked up, bro, because you're sitting there broke as fuck. What can we do? What can we do? It's a V8 twin turbo. Maybe it is. A beer is about £4 in London. That's fucking expensive. I sent Bobby a message on the Discord group to get more information about the DeFi masterclass. Sure, I'll message him right now. Like, again, I'm the only guy that'll fucking go in and fucking WhatsApp this guy right in front of you guys. Every other guy won't fucking do this. But I'll do this for you right now. There you go. He will get back to you. L's in the charts. L's in the chart for Albert. Because, bro, if you've honestly watched me for the last 3 years, you've done the complete opposite. Because not that I've picked every... Again, who's fucking doing this? Look at my big L's. Veracity, big L. Black Hole's actually in profit because I didn't liquidity pool. Otara, big L. Illumium, huge L. But... big W's. Big W's. Also... big W's. Big W's. Big W's everywhere for me. So what the fuck have you been doing? Big L. Big L's for Albert. I'm in UK, bro. I'm in UK. Scotland. Scotland. It's cold, bro. It's cold. It's cold. See, like fake confirmation and XRP. We jumped the gun early, but we'll hold it like we did yesterday. We're on the minute. Absolute lowest. We'll be fine. I still want to put 2.1 on this. You think Bitcoin will hit 1 million coin in the future? Yes, depends on your time horizon. Here's the thing about Bitcoin. It's designed to go up forever because it's done the 10-year decade of being alive where it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to have massive dips along the way. But here's what I can say about Bitcoin. And you guys should already know this. If in doubt, zoom out. These are massive drops, but eventually these massive drops in the next 5 to 10 years are going to look like 2013s. If you go back in 2013 and you were to zoom in with a magnifying glass, this is a massive drop, but you can't even see it. So just like what we're seeing right now, this massive drop, 5-10 years time, it's going to be a little blimp. So it's designed to go up forever because the government and just wages, etc., and just inflation, the debt in the country, etc. You're getting shafted. And if you can understand that, you'll understand that Bitcoin, store of value, gold 2.0, whatever you want to believe in, circulating supply, max supply is always going to be capped. Loads of people are losing Bitcoin every single day and already have. It should be everybody's goal. It might sound fucking well of reach to get as close to 1 Bitcoin as possible. If you can do that, you will be a millionaire. It won't be worth $1 million in purchasing power today, but you'll still be a millionaire. So that should be the goal. Again, ride altcoins, ride DeFi, ride trades to maybe get there, but stack sats, man. It's best piece of advice I can give you. There's a reason why Bitcoin is the number 1 asset in my portfolio. Okay? I don't fucking lie here. This is the number 1 asset in my portfolio. Okay? So yeah, I do. But it's not going to happen anytime soon. Near Glasgow. Yeah, I'm also monetizing Bitcoin as well. So that's what we really try and teach you in DeFi, to monetize your Bitcoin. Okay, you're not going to get the best returns on DeFi with Bitcoin because it's such a big asset compared to like Solana or even a meme coin. But you should be using some sort of your Bitcoin, a certain amount, not all of it. Once you build up trust in yourself and know what you're doing, you can use Bitcoin to, guess what, create more Bitcoin. And that's what it's designed to do, if you know what you're doing. So yeah, I'm not going to sell my Bitcoin anytime soon, and I really don't want to sell my Bitcoin. That's what's changed for me about 2025 and really woke me up. It's questions like that. Once and if Bitcoin hits $1 million, it's like, you know, if I can monetize it, I can win both ways. Love you too. No, I have Albert. It's still fucking posting. I came back for Christmas, bro, because I'm a good man and I can come back and get my family good Christmas presents. Unlike you, that needs to use the £1 to go and get a pint. L's in the chat for Albert. But again, Albert, fucking go and dominate and win, man. Albert, lock in, bro. You're wasting time. You're wasting your time, bro. But hopefully, you wake up to reality. Because this kind of attitude is not going to do anything. You're in Thailand. Good for you. You didn't go and see your parents. Go and see them. Maybe they fucking left you because you're such an arsehole. I don't know. Because you sound like an arsehole right now in chat. I'm sure everybody can fucking agree. Except yourself. So I'll be in Thailand in February with Parker. So if you're about, even though you've been an arsehole to me, I will still come and shake your hand and wish you good well. But you're an arsehole, so you'll probably decline that. And if and when you decide to meet us, you completely change your attitude in person. I can guarantee that. Because if you don't, you're going to fucking die. No threats. Everything's looking so weak. What's your opinion on QUAI? What the fuck is that, bro? What's your opinion on QUAI? Koi Network? I don't fucking know what this is. It's a $51 million market cap. It doesn't mean it's bad. I don't know. What's my opinion on this? What's your opinion on this? Is it some AI coin? Last 1 year down, last 1 month. Hey, it's doing well in the last 1 month. This is probably why you've heard of it. So here's the question for you. Did you buy this because of the pump, or did you buy early enough and now you're in paper profits? Because it doesn't matter about the coin. If you can get out, get in, make money, it doesn't fucking matter what coin you write. Just get the money, or as we like to say, get the bag and go. Very small market cap coin, man. I always use this tool. It's called SimilarWeb. I used to use it back in my dropshipping days, but I still think it's valuable. And what it basically does is it tells me how many people are on the website. This is quite good numbers, by the way, for a 50 million market cap coin. In December, you had 26,000 people. That's pretty good. But here's what I can tell you. You know why an extra 10,000 people have went on this website? Because of the price. Okay, so the guy that was asking me about Bobby to reply, I'm doing the fucking work for you, bro. So there you go. He will reply to you. Nobody else will do that. Everybody else will just leave you in the dark, like Albert, that left his family in the dark to fucking hang around with Thai escorts while his mum and Dad are waiting on Christmas presents. What do you think of Vchain? That's my biggest bag at the moment. 400k of tokens, trying for $1 million. Vchain was one that I've not really... We've all heard of Vchain. Vet. I think they've changed their logo. Maybe not. I don't know. As far as I remember, it was a solid fucking coin in 2021, but it's just like ADA and most of these charts right now. Not the project, the chart. It's just like the arousement hasn't came back for OG coins. Not to say that it won't. I don't have any. Not that it's a bad play. It's a bad play if you bought in here and try and get back to break even. But, you know, if you like this... If you like this, it's a better DCA than back here, that's for sure. So that's what I think of Vchain, bro. I couldn't buy because I wasn't available to buy from where I'm from. I'm mining my GPUs. You mean your exchange wasn't available? Because you got to remember, if it is... Let me go back. I'll try and figure this out for you, bro. So you can buy on MEXC. So I'm guessing you can't buy on MEXC because MEXC won't let you use them because you're probably from the US. Use a VPN. I don't think you need KYC there. Not telling you should play with the system there, but you know, if you want to buy it, that's one way you could buy it. Yes, exactly. Kapow, kapow. Big with USC at the moment, bro, etc. Cool, man. Nah, bro, highest was 0.2. Cool. Yeah, bro. You're good. I got you. I got you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got you. Nice to see you again, Gary. I always recommend or always remember your face. I was reading some good things on Tokify if the stock market goes on the blockchain. Cool. Hopefully you're doing well. How long have I got here? 22 minutes. I really have like 5-10 minutes because I have to jump on with Bobby before this. XRP is going the other way right now, but this happened to us yesterday. So there's our TPs. Maybe I'm going to have to update you tomorrow what happens. And I always will. Legend, legend. My mother and father... Fuck, Albert. Give me a rest, bro. My mother and father are in Thailand, staying in Hilton. Awesome. Unlike your parents. Nice. Your voice literally changed since 2 years ago. You know what's funny? So true that you said that. But I mean that, bro. I sound younger. So, I was speaking yesterday on stream how I was meeting some of my old friends while I was late on stream. My next door neighbor, actually. And he said the same thing. He said, I sound American now. And obviously as yourself, like you don't really notice changes in yourself, right? Even if that's your physique, the way your face looks, just the way your voice sounds. And I guess that's true because what I did was I went back and watched old videos of me from like 2-3 years ago. I was like, fuck, I sound damn Scottish. And now I don't think I sound American, but there's definitely a different accent. And you know the reason why I think the reason is? Because I work with American people. Like Bobby's American, Parker's American, my closer, Ryan, and Chris is American. They're all American. So that's probably why. That's why when people say if the average of your 5 friends, you're going to be the average of the sum of your 5 mates, your network, etc. Well, if you hang around with people and you only speak in this language, my fucking instinct as a monkey that we all are has probably picked up some sort of American accent. So yeah, that must be true, bro. I agree with you there. Albert, that's the only thing we agree on. And I only took till I watched my old videos 2-3 years ago. I was like, fuck, he's right. I sound totally different. But what can I do? What can I do? My whole team's American. I'm the only Scotsman here. I don't know. There's nothing I can do. So I guess that's right. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's bad. But I guess the accent changes. For good or for worse. What was I doing? So, XRP, we're kind of finding some resistance right now. Again, we're fucking stretching for this. What do I think of... make me FOMO in a short? Well, I'm not going to force you to do any fucking trades because I'm not a degenerate. But first of all, what you can do if you're looking at the GG indicator, because that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the GG indicator on a certain time frame for this fucking coin. IRYS. This one? Is this what you're talking about? So what you should do, because nobody should be following me with trading. You should follow me on DeFi, absolutely. Because I believe in that and I've done the fucking work on that. I know how to do this. Like I said, I've done DeFi for 130 plus people. Trading, no, I've not. And DeFi's very, very easy to understand. Trading, sometimes you're fucking gambling. And I'll be the only one that tells you that. Let's have a look. I think this is a coin. If it's not, sorry. 0.05. It looks like the right coin. What do I think about it? Well, if you're looking at the 5 minutes, you missed the confirmation here. A beautiful short. And then you had a beautiful short here. You also had a beautiful long. Even the fucking, what is this coin? It's 100 million market cap coin. Look at the 5 minutes on the GG indicator. Calling it fucking perfectly. The 1 minute, again, is going to be less likely, but you had a confirmation of a short here. You had a confirmation of a short here. Stick on the GG indicator, bro. Don't make me make you into FOMO in a short here. Just follow the GG if you want to use what we do. If you look at the 1 hour, it's totally different, right? It's actually bullish as fuck in 1 hour. And this is why it's important to understand what time frame are you trying to buy and trade stuff on. Because on the GG indicator, bar from here, but you would have got back in, you've been, since New Year, January 1st, you've had a beautiful fucking long in this thing, right? Look at that, 138%. But, as we know, if you're on the 5 minutes, you've had longs and shorts all day long. So it's completely different. Henry Robertson's browser, that's my great-great-great-grandpa. Proper Scottish like you. There you go. There you go. Scottish, man. I don't know a lot of Scottish. Here's the thing about Scotland, right? England, there seems like there's more fucking danger, but there's also more people trying. In Scotland, it's always nice to see. Like, we had somebody join our 10K fast track. Ollie, big ups, Ollie. Ollie literally goes to the fucking gym that I used to work at before it got changed to JD. Exercise for less, he now goes to JD. The gym I used to work at. It's always refreshing to see somebody fucking take crypto, let alone DeFi, let alone invest in himself, that goes to the same fucking gym that you used to work at. So there's hope for Scottish people. I fucking love it when I see a Scottish person get in the game. And that's just because I'm biased. I'm from Scotland, right? This is my hometown at the end of the day. Even though it's fucking cold, I'm from Scotland, and I always will be. So it's nice to fucking see that, bro. Nice. Yeah. Where are we at? XRP is chilling out. Potential. I'm going to leave this long on open. Just sitting, minus 20. It's absolutely fine. What we want, again, is exactly like yesterday's stream. Just chill the fuck out, break this, and on we go. Not discovered, but first people. GG. I have to go in literally 5 minutes, probably 4 minutes. Actually, 3 minutes now, because I need to speak to Bobby before this. Does anybody have any questions that I can answer in 2 seconds so it's not about a coin? If you guys are asking me about charts, etc., the best thing where I can speak to you personally, okay, watch out for scammers, okay? Just watch out for that. There's a lot of fake Jakes here. Again, my account is here. This will be the only real account. Come in here, put the GG on for free, and fucking start charting stuff. Look at the 5 minutes, exactly what I showed you at the start of this call, okay, on your favorite coins. You can see right now, some guys are coming in 14 minutes ago, 24 minutes ago. Be like these guys. Again, there's nothing to fucking sell you in here, okay, nothing. The DeFi thing, there's a little pinned message if you want to take this one-to-one, but you're not going to make me say, hey, buy this fucking DeFi thing or you're fucking a loser. No, I want you to win. Hello, Cap. Yeah, Bitcoin all the way. Take care of you too. Any burning questions anybody wants me to answer right now, I will answer the next good question. Because if not, I have 2 minutes. 2 maximum minutes. I will keep you posted in this XRP trade. I'm very hopeful it's going to flip around. If not, again, absolutely fine. we are paying to learn. And we're not buying fucking trading courses, people. Stop buying trading courses. Stop it. I'm the only one that'll say that. But everybody says, oh, Jake, he's trying to sell you something. I'm saying don't buy stuff. I respect the Scottish people. Yeah, Scottish people, man. Most are very good. Most are very fucking nice, bro. What's the best way to learn DeFi for free? I just gave you the answer, bro. The best way to learn DeFi for free is to buy my course. No, see, I'm joking. The best way, I made this video here. I actually pinned it in the Discord. Let me just show you real quick. This is the last decent question. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This link here. Yesterday, go into DeFi, join the Discord, or it's my recent video on my channel. I break down how I literally printed in 2025 and my strategy for 2026. Okay? That's what I did. And how much do you realistically need? Realistically to make what? That's how much do you want to make? Or how many assets do you want to accumulate? That's what you got to start thinking about. But yeah, I got to go, boys. I'll keep posting XRP chart.